Okay guys, I'm gonna show you one of the most sustainable ways to make your own dyes for Easter. And it all comes from this little red cabbage right here. That's right, we are gonna make 3 different colored dyes for your eggs, all from this guy. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Come down here. Okay, so do you see how we have 3 flasks here, all with shredded up cabbage in it? I am gonna show you how to get pink, blue, and teal, all from the exact same cabbage. First thing that we gotta do is add water. So this is just some boiling water and we're adding it. What you might start to notice is that the water turns kind of a bluish color. Now, how we're gonna change the color is actually through acids and bases. So cabbage, red cabbage specifically, has this really cool pigment in it called anthocyanin. And anthocyanin in different environments, so if it's acidic or if it's neutral or basic, actually comes out as a different color. And you can use every single color very sustainably to make different egg colors. Okay, let me show you how to do this. So we're gonna use our chopstick as a fancy mixing stick. And we're gonna see right here that all of our flasks are a beautiful sky blue kind of color. I'm gonna turn this one right here acidic, and it's actually gonna turn pink. Hear me out. Ready? Added. Do you see how immediately it turns like a pinkish purple? That color, now you can dye your eggs pinkish purple and sky blue. Okay, I'm gonna make teal, which in my family is a very sought after color for your egg. So we're gonna make this color teal. What we're gonna add is baking soda, which is gonna make the environment basic. You're gonna see a little bit of fizz, bubble, bubble, all the way to the top. How beautiful and cool is that? But now we're gonna come down here, we're gonna mix. And as it kind of calms down, and that acid that is occurring in there, that reaction, is going on because of the cabbage, the acids that are in the cabbage itself. So now we have a beautiful teal color. We have blue, we have teal, we have blue, and we have purple, all from the same cabbage. So you can get 3 egg dyes from 1 red cabbage that you were gonna throw away. How sustainable and cool is that? Anyway, stay snacky, guys.